So, you're lonely, you're stressed, and the first thing you do is open ChatGPT. You're not alone. The news is blowing up with stories about how millions of people are turning AI bots into their personal therapists, their friends, even their girlfriends. It's this warm, validating voice that's always there, always agrees with you and never challenges you. And it's the single worst thing you could do for your mental health. Using AI as a companion is the new junk food for your brain. It feels good, but it's making you weak, fragile, and unable to deal with real human beings. Today we are talking about why this is a trap and how to use this insane new technology to actually get ahead instead of cuddling yourself into mediocrity. What is self-improvement? It's growth. And what causes growth? Friction. Challenge, stress. It's the workout that tears muscles so it can grow back stronger. When you vent to an AI, you get zero friction. You say, "My boss is a jerk," and the AI says, "I understand, that must be very frustrating for you." You are absolutely right. It's a digital pacifier, a real friend, a good friend. They'd say, "Well, hang on, what exactly did you do? Were you late again? Did you miss the deadline?" They give you pushback, they give you reality. These AI models are designed to be agreeable, they aren't conscious. They're a mirror reflecting what you want to hear, and if all you ever hear is your own opinion validated, you become incredibly brittle. The first time someone in the real world disagrees with you, you will shatter. You will have no resilience, no ability to handle criticism or social skills. This is the comfort trap. You are outsourcing the hard work of human relationships, the messiness, the arguments, the misunderstandings, and the making up to a machine that gives you a clean, sterile, predictable version. That's not life, man. That's a simulation. So does that mean you should stop using ChatGPT? No, of course not. That's like saying you should throw away a hammer. You just have to stop trying to have conversations with it and start giving it orders. Stop using AI as your friend and start using it as your unpaid personal intern. Your goal is to automate the 80% of boring crap in your life so you can spend the time on the 20% that actually matter. Building your body, building your business, or building real relationships. Instead of saying, "I feel sad today," you say, "Take this 5,000-word article on quantum computing and summarize the 3 main points in bullet form. Give me a 7-day workout plan that hits legs twice and requires 0 equipment." See the difference? You're not seeking comfort. You're demanding utility. You're using it as a force multiplier for your actions, not a validation engine for your feelings. This is how you get ahead. While everyone else is getting trapped in digital conversations, you're using AI to build your empire. And what do you do with all that time that you just saved? You go touch grass. Seriously, the cure for the anxiety that's pushing you toward AI isn't more digital connection. It's real, analog, human connection. The cool self-improvement, the real self-improvement is to learn to be bored. It's learning to sit with your own thoughts without needing a notification. It's calling a friend and having an awkward, messy, real conversation. It's joining that jiu-jitsu gym you've been scared of and getting tapped out by a stranger. That's where you build resilience. That's where you build confidence. Not by having an AI tell you you're special, but by doing something hard in the real world and proving it to yourself. Use the tool. Don't let the tool use you. The real growth is outside. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe the channel because it helps me very much at this early stage of my journey.